Good morning. I am going over two pairs today, AUD CAD and GBP AUD. So I will mark up the charts for you. I actually took this trade today. I'm gonna go over why I took the trade. So I'm gonna go right straight to it. First thing first, I marked down my London session open. This is the daily open. Then 8:30, it's the New York morning. This is where I start to hunt. And 4:30, that's where it closes. So pretty much you have your daily range, which is where it opens, and then your morning trade, and this is the closing. Just marking up this vertical pretty much just symbolizes the opening. So this candle right there is just the opening. So anything below is discount. Anything above is premium. So putting my pib on this low, as you can see, 50%, marking this high and this low, 50%. So anything below 50% is discount. Anything above is premium. So what happened prior to 8:30? So prior to 8:30, is swing low. I went for a long. So prior to 8:30, this swing low was taken out. We are below 50%. So we are in discount. So I was already anticipating for a buy position. And on a 1 minute, going back to 15 minute, so don't forget, I'm aiming for that 50% level. And also this gap right there, that imbalance. So going back to 1 minute, looking for my entry. So I'm looking for a specific. So what happened? Came down around 9:14. This is where this candle, we have a market structure shift, and this is where I went for a long on that area. I have my take profit right here, right here, and also that fair value gap, which is this green shaded area, and that 50% level. So you can see right there, that's algorithm. Let me put some lipstick in here, show you the actual business that I actually executed. So TradingView has this on chart settings where execution. So it tells you, it just pretty much shows you that you cannot edit or rig this. It's right there. So if you click execution, it shows you where you entered and took profit over here. Another one here. And then this is where I ended up closing the trade. So this is GBP AUD. I'm going to show you paper trading. The account balance, I started with 1,000. This is demo trading right there, paper trading. And the account is almost 1,100. And this is today's business, plus 32, plus 19, plus 9, And also I want to show you this pinch that I got prior to this trade, which is AUD CAD. Let's take this off. So this is AUD CAD, and just looking back to prior to 8:30, just looking back from before and now, I told myself, imagine if I just could have waited a little bit more insights, more data. So this I entered right here on the opening, and what happened? 9:15, it traded, it came back on this imbalance right here. So if I go back to settings, execution, to show you where I entered right here. So I saw this low, break it, this swing low was taken out, and I entered on this gap right there, and that's where you can see the arrow right there. And I was aiming for this low and just be done for the day, but it didn't give me that. So the reason why, this is where I exit on this candle. Right when I saw this candle took out this swing high, I just closed out the trade because I had my stop loss right here. Where is it at? So this is where I entered. I had my stop loss right here above this area, and just understanding I'm wrong and not sticking to my bias and understanding that. And that's the beauty about these skill sets. When you're wrong, it will show it to you right away. Let me take it out. I don't like too much mess on my chart. So no worries. Let me see. So this is actually what I was waiting for, anticipating this big rally up, swing high was taken out, and this is a market structure shift right there. And it came back to this gap right there, and as you can see, it dropped, came back one more time, then drop, attacking this sell side liquidity, attacking that sell side liquidity. So it's going from premium to discount. You know what I mean? So I'm not worried, when I'm not worried if I take a pinch today or whether I miss a trade today, because just learning these skill sets, think about it. Learning these skill sets, and there will be more. I will be uploading more videos. There will be more examples of these, repeating the exact same thing. Just I'm not even teaching you the whole daily range yet. I'm just teaching you just the morning. I'm just sharing just the morning. I haven't even teach the afternoon session, the Asian session. It's just the morning, right? So for me is just be consistent and just watch the same video over and over and over. And what you do at 8:30, do the exact same thing the prior day. There's gonna be some it's pattern recognition. And also just learning and just also understanding that learning any skill sets is gonna take you, it's literally gonna just learning new skill sets, it will require you to have some growing pains, you know? So I'm gonna end with that. That's just the AUD CAD and GBP odd for today. And let me see if I forget anything. I think that's it for now. But yeah, I will be updating any. Let me see.